Hi, in this video I will show you how to convert XML file to Excel file. This is my website, I will leave link in the description. I can find out by typing XML to Excel. Yep, this one. And double click on the page, double click on the download button to start the loading process. And click on Downloaded Archive, double click on MSI to start installation, click on More Info. I'm getting the screen because I'm not registered publisher. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll click on Run anyway to start the installation, click on Next Install, click on Yes, click on Finish, and you can see app has been installed on my computer. I can close this now and this. And double click on to launch the app. Now conversion is like simple 3 steps process. On first step I'll have select one or many XML files I need to convert. I can show you, for example, this XML. Let's open it to see its content. So it's basically records, test address records here. With name, organization, job title, city, phone, email, homepage. Yep, and we're gonna select this one and click on next step. There is no options here yet, and click on run to start conversion. And it will ask name of the Excel file we want to convert, and let's leave it as it is and click on save. And you can see file has been saved. Let's go and see file. Yep, and you can see all XML data was flattened, hierarchical data into table, and all XML tags become columns, and all data is here. You obviously will have a different XML with different columns, so your file will be different, but this is what it will do. It will flatten hierarchical structure, as I mentioned, into table, and the same table as in Excel format. So basically that's it. Please give it a try and let me know if it works for you, and leave comments on the video below. Thank you.